Auto-focus siya. Tell me about the project. What? The project that you're doing.
No. Content
What is
management.
Flow?
Flow is content management system where you can have the rich media together with old standard learning. It's
Me as a regular teacher, I have been exposed to the mainstream software programs or data management. So, what or where can you compare Flow with?
it's somehow similar to YouTube, but with a much higher security compared to the content that it handles. Sa YouTube, videos, release family with, with commenting rating. Lord can also do that, but with so much security that it can block other users from unwanted users actually from manipulating content applied in the database.
Who can be blocked or YouTube or Flow?
Flow.
Which can
Flow.
upload and block?
It has a very secure way of handling contents inside its database.
Okay, aside from that, what are the other benefits of using Flow? If I am a teacher, because Flow, you're doing this basically for the academy, right? So, what is it for us, members of the academy? If we will use Flow, what benefits do we get out of it?
With the old ways of way back then, checking off quiz and when the first thing, quizzes. You can now make it online through Flowing. So we have plug in or Grana. That's that can simulate a quiz online for a student answer with the ease of checking. Unlike the old fashioned quiz, bunch of paper, teachers can check it.
We will make the teacher's life much easier. Aside from that, what else? Can or does Flow offer? Type of concepts. Like videos,
Social
like if I would like to show video to my students. So why do I need to know? Why can't I just show them the YouTube video direct from the YouTube?
Kasi with YouTube, you have to download it back from their server. So it's a hassle of downloading such large files.
Yeah, because it would take a while before I get down, particularly if my internet connection is slow. So
With Flow, kung may isa kang server, you have your own server. So the videos can readily be viewed from the site. Since it's a browser,
like how many seconds?
so if it's local, maybe 30 seconds.
And seconds it can appear. Compared to YouTube,
Compared to usually it can take 30 minutes and the full video. So parang streaming din, but with a very short time, you can do it.
so how about, of course it can handle HTML, text, scrolling, reading. How about web conference?
Web conference. Currently with the project, still under construction. Yeah.
But it can
Use Skype through Skype.
you can build it in
There's this product actually, and wala ko na test, pero it is possible naman.
the many things that you mentioned. Okay, given all the things that you mentioned as that,
So,
which one is the most benefit that a teacher can get?
a teacher, I guess it's user-oriented. More, very, very much user-oriented. Kasi most of the content will be user-generated. That's coming from users.
So it will provide,
Yes. Yeah.
unlike
Unlike YouTube,
per general,
a lot of videos there, but with very, very brief connection to the subject.
anything more about flow?
Good. Good stuff. Yeah.
Okay, we're done.